And here I'm just trying to work like a steering wheel. I just don't want to, I'm just kind of give the edges a little tug, and I'm letting gravity to kind of do its thing. It feels good. I like our wooden peels. This is my 12-inch peel. I lightly dust it with flour. That's like my ball bearing, and I'll just slide my dough on top of that. Boom. Right? And I like to give these edges a little pinch. It just creates a nice little texture on the crust, which is cool. Makes it a little unique. Maybe one last like little stretch. Boom. Now, this is anybody who's new at making pizzas, probably one of the most common challenges people have is this dough getting stuck on the peel. So before I do sauce, before I do cheese, I want to give it a little jiggle, make sure it's going back and forth. And then I'm able to add my ingredients. So we're going to start with the sauce. And I put a couple of spoonfuls on the center. And just kind of paint it on there, right? I'm really working to get it inside the dough here. Take it to the edge, but I don't go over the edge. And some people like sauce. We got to be a little bit mindful because there's a lot of moisture in the sauce, and we don't want to have it seep all the way through the dough, because then the dough has a tough time of cooking. So now, here's my sliced mozz. You can see, really rustic looking pizza, right? Really cool. And now I might drop just a couple of pieces of fresh mozzarella on top. This is nice. Very traditional here. And then I might just take a little bit more sauce. Just paint it on there a little bit. Because I'm gonna really try these tomatoes. That's it. That's our pizza, right? So now before I go in my oven, give it a little jiggle. It's still sliding like a puck. So I'm confident. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. That's better. All right, so now go to my oven. You can see it's cranking. It's at 528, which is cool. Let's peek inside. I've got 2 steels inside. I'm going to the bottom steel, no broiler. Back of the peel to the back of the steel, just kind of slide it off. Boom. Right? And we talk to you guys, but I have my timer on. So if you're making pizzas and you have company, always use your timer. And it looks really good. So underneath here, oh yeah, the crust is color is nice. Probably just about done. I'm gonna give that like 10 more seconds. We're gonna pull it out of there. It looks amazing. It's beautiful, right? Look at the color. Awesome. Awesomeness. And the crust, I'd say it's cooked nice in the bottom too, right? That gorgeous. That was a 4-minute pizza, guys, bake. Really beautiful. See if I can give you guys a spin around my camera. Right? Isn't that beautiful? Underneath the crust, gorgeous, right? Crispy, awesomeness. Again, that's just a 4-minute bake. Isn't that wild? And the crust really got a nice color to it. Really gorgeous. I'm excited to eat it. You can see. Gorgeous, right? The cheese melted nice. The sauce is vibrant red.